Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace Favicon in Squarespace. So simply in order to do this, first of all I have already added a Favicon here. So simply just what you need to do. So as you can see on the left side there are multiple tabs available here. So now I want to change or replace the Favicon. Simply just click on design and after that click on browse icon. So now as you can see I have already added this favicon, so simply just I want to replace it, simply click on replace and after that click on upload file and simply now here you have to select another favicon, but keep in mind that it should be less than 1 MB. So simply I select this photo and click on open and now wait for a few seconds. Our favicon is being uploaded. So after when you successfully uploaded favicon here, so here you can see our favicon is changed and replaced. Simply after that click on save button and now go back and now again click here. So here you can see finally our favicon is replaced. So in this way you can replace or change a favicon in Squarespace.